Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about the subtraction of fraction. We know we had seen many videos about fraction. What is fraction? Types of fraction. Then comparison of fraction. Then addition of fraction. Now how to subtraction of fraction. Okay, addition then after subtraction. Okay, the same procedure in addition subtraction, but now we are going to subtract from one fraction to another fraction. Okay, but we have to follow the rule as it is. First we have to check the given fraction is like fraction or unlike fraction or proper, improper or mixed, whatever may be. First we have to check, then after we start to subtract. Okay, here the given fraction is, you know very well, subtract 3 upon 8 from 7 upon 8. So the both denominator are same. If you see the given fraction, the denominator is same. So we can subtract easily from this to this, from 7 upon 8 to 3 upon 8. Okay. So I'm going to subtract from 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 subtract 3 by 8. So directly we can subtract. So 8 is common. So I will take 8 as it is. 7 minus 3, 4. So this is the answer. We can simplify this. We can simplify more. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. So 1 by 2 is the answer. If you see 4 by 8, how I simplify? 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. So this is the way we can subtract from one fraction to another fraction. This is the like fraction. So we simply subtract this fraction. Let me see other some example fraction. How to solve that fraction we will see. Now we take another example. If you see this fraction 2 upon 5, 5 upon 11. If you check, is this a like fraction or an unlike fraction? Okay, this is the unlike fraction. This is not a like fraction because the numerator is not same, denominator also not same. So this is a normal method. We are going to find out LCM. Then we have to convert all the denominator same. Then finally we subtract. Okay. So I am going to find out these both denominator LCM. So I told you two methods for finding LCM. Now I will use this one. 5, 11. First I have 5. So 1 5 is 5. 11 as it is. Now 11. 1 as it is 1. So now 2 factor. If you multiply 5 into 11, 55 is the LCM. So LCM is 55. So what I am going to do, I am going to convert all the denominators same, the LCM of 55. So now you know very well, here 5 is there. If you multiply which number with 5, it will become 55. So I will tell you 2 upon 5, 11 5s are 55. So I will multiply upside 11 and downside also 11. If you multiply both, 2 11s are 22, 5 11s are 55. Okay. Then now 11 here, sorry 5 here, 11 denominator. Now I am going to convert 5 by 11. If you multiply in which number with 11, it will become 55. 11 5s are 55. So I am going to multiply upside 5 and downside 5. So 5 5s are 25 divided by 55. If you notice it, the both denominators same. Now as per the rule, we can add easily, subtract easily. Okay. So 22 upon 55 subtract 25. Sorry, not like this. I have to put this side. 25 upon 55 subtract 22 upon 55. So if you subtract this, 3 upon 55. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, students. Let me see the another example. This kind of fraction, if you see how you solve this kind of fraction, you know, you can you identify which kind of fraction is this? It's a mixed fraction. Yes, na? Because here real number is a fraction number. So which fraction mixed with the real fraction is called mixed fraction. Okay. So if you subtract this kind of fraction, what I told you, we have to cross multiply first. Okay. Then after find out LCM of both denominator. Then after convert or modify both denominators same as per the LCM. Then after we can subtract easily. So this is I am going to do. Listen carefully. So this is a mixed fraction. So we want to subtract from this fraction to this fraction. So for that, first I will do cross multiplication. So listen carefully. 1 4 is 4. 4 plus 3 7 divided by 4. So I will write clearly. So listen, 1 plus 3 4. If you cross multiply, 1 4 is 4. Okay. So we can write like this: 4 into 1 plus 3 upon 4. We can write like this, but I will write shortly. Okay. I will write shortly. 1 4 is 4 plus 3 upon 4. Okay. And this 7 into 3 21. 21 plus 1 upon 7. If you add this, if you add 4 plus 3 7 upon 4, 21 plus 1 22 upon 7. So now we have converted the mixed fraction as a improper fraction. If you see, what kind of fraction is this? It's a improper fraction. Because why? Because denominator is small, numerator is big. So this kind of fraction we know very well, it's a improper fraction. So what we will do, we have to convert. Now we want to find out LCM of 4 and 7. LCM of 4 and 7. If you see like this, 4 7. First I will divide by 4. So 1 4 is 4, 7 as it is. Now 1 as it is, 1 7 is 7. So 4 7 both are multiple. Now I am going to multiply. 4 7s are 28. So LCM of 4 and 7 is 28. 28 is the LCM. Now I am going to convert the both denominator 4 and 7 as 28. So as for that, 7 by upon, if you which number, if you multiply with 4, it will become 28. 7 4s are 28. Na? So 7 upon 4 multiply by 7, multiply by 7. Up and down we have to multiply both number. Okay. So 7 7s are 49. 7 4s are 28. Okay. Now this one 22 upon 7. So which number, if you multiply with 7, it will become 28. 4. So upside also 4, downside also 4. 4 22s, 4 22. 88 upon 28. Okay. So now we have converted. If you see, I will write here, see, 49 divided by 28, 22 upon 28. If you notice this both fraction, denominator same, so we can subtract easily. So if both numerator, both denominator same, the higher numerator is greater. It means greater numerator is greater. As per the rule, here 49 is the greater numerator. So I will 49, which is the result of 49 by 28. 49 by 28, 7. 7 by 4. So 7 by 4 is the 4 plus 3. This is the fraction. No? So I will write 49 by 28 subtract 22 by 28. If you subtract this 49, 22 after 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 30 means 80. 8 plus 30, 40, 10, 18, 28. 28 is the, what is the answer? 39. Sorry, 49 not. 88. Sorry. Here I am mistake. Sorry. 88 and 49. Okay. So 88 is a big number. If you compare this numerator, the greater numerator is 88. So 88 upon 28 subtract 49 subtract 28. Okay. 88 subtract 49 divided by 28. So I will take 28 common. Okay. 28 common. If you subtract 88 minus 49, what we will get? 39, na? 49 plus 30, yes, 30, 70. 88 plus 40, 39. 39 is the answer, yes. 88 minus 49. So commonly we take 28. If you subtract 39 divided by 88. Okay. Now we can simplify this. If you see this fraction 28 and 39, this is not a proper fraction. It's an improper fraction. So we can, we already learned how to convert the improper fraction as a mixed fraction. Okay. Share this pointer. Now I'm going to convert. So 88. Yes. 1, 11, 28. I will tell you. If you cross multiply this, 128 is 28. 28 plus 11, 39. So 39 by 28 we can write as it is. Do you understand now? 1, 11 upon 28. This is the answer of this fraction. But why we write like this? Do you know? If you cross multiply this, we will get 39 by 28. This is the answer. But it is not a proper fraction. So we will write as a mixed fraction. What if you cross multiply this? 28 into 1, 28 plus 11, 39. So 39 by 28 we can write as it is. So if you solve this kind of fraction, you have to follow these steps. Okay.